Facebook is a great way to stay connected with friends and family, but did you know that you can share multiple photos in one post? This can be a great way to show off a new purchase, your latest vacation, or even just a fun night out. In this video, I'll show you how to share multiple photos in one post on Facebook. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the Facebook mobile application, and then let's tap on What's on Your Mind. Then, select Photo/Video. And now simply tap on Choose Layout. Once you are on this page, choose a layout that you like. For example, if you are going to post 4 photos, you can select either one of these 2 layouts at the bottom. And then simply tap on the photos that you want to share on Facebook. And then tap Next. And now you can drag to adjust the photos to fit the squares. After that, simply tap on the Post button at the top right corner of the screen to simply post this to Facebook. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.